channel, Haitian Dining with Mary. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make rotini salad. But before we get started, please hit the subscribe button below and let's get to it. Here are today's ingredients. 1 box of rotini, 1 packet chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, half teaspoon white pepper, 2 tablespoons white vinegar, 1 cup mayonnaise, half cup red onion, half cup red sweet pepper, half cup shaved carrots, half cup celery, and 1 cup green peas. In this pan, I put 6 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of salt and let it cook for 12 minutes. After the pasta has been cooked, I strain it and pour cold water over it so it won't be sticky. Now I'm going to mix very well all the ingredients together. I add the vinegar, it's only optional. Wow! Look at this beautiful salad. Salade mais bon, li goût. M'da souhaité que nous essayions. This is the final result. Bon appétit! You can make this for any special occasion. Let's see how it tastes. Delicious. Thank you so much everybody for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thank you. Bye bye.